Fast-rising dancehall entertainer Skeng banned from performing in Guyana. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. In response to news that dancehall entertainer Skeng would be banned from future performances in Guyana, the entertainment management team says that they believe that the Guyanese government is trying to cast blame on the artist for an incident who also put the entertainer at risk. In a release on Friday, the artist management team said that the daring gunplay and chaos that abruptly ended a show in the Caribbean island was not indicative of a character of the artist and his belief. Their statement sought to highlight that the entertainer, whose real name is Kevin Douglas, is entitled to artistic expression, but his music is just that, an expression of art. Mr. Douglas' musical expression is merely an artistic expression and nothing more. He has performed in several cities prior to and subsequent to the incident in Guyana, and we have not received any kind of responses such as what we have received in Guyana, their statement read, highlighting that the incident also left the artist vulnerable to immense danger. Our team was placed in danger and we had to take precaution to ensure that we were not injured. We are of the view that the security measures that were put in place could have been more stringent in order to prevent the gunplay and other acts of violence. Skeng's management team was responding to a statement made by the Guyanese security minister on Friday, said no artist like Skeng will ever come again to the country in order to perform under the signature of any of the Minister of Home Affairs or from the Guyana Police Force. The backlash against the Jamaican trap dancehall star stemmed from a shooting incident last month at the Boderation concert in Guyana. According to reports, Skeng was approximately 15 minutes into his set when an unidentified patron discharged a firearm in a gun salute as the DJ performed his hit song Protocol.
Reporting live, we have blood here. When you see somebody foot boss, these two bars get robbed. I feel sorry for uncle crying. Very much sorry. Soon everything starts shooting up. Don Stocks running and rob the banks bar. Very much sorry.
Skeng's performance in the country was widely advertised and anticipated. However, the turn of events left Guyana National Security Advisor concerned about the staging of the show. On Saturday, a Guyana media reported that the promoters of the Botheration concert will be held accountable for Friday night's incident. Anything that disturbs the peace and breaks the law in Guyana and affects investor confidence is a national security matter, and this certainly concerns me. The people who organize the show will have some serious questions to answer to, a media report out of Guyana stated. At the same time, the National Police have stated that they managed to arrest one person, a vendor from Georgetown, who was found with an illegal 9mm pistol at the night of the event at the National Park, according to a news report. The cops added that they have been reviewing CCTV cameras and video circulating on social media to identify and arrest persons who were found discharging weapons in the air. The Guyana police is urging the general public and making a special appeal to the general public or anyone who might have knowledge or information, maybe phone videos, to share them with the police, as this can assist in their investigation and identify the perpetrators who fired shots at the event that caused the chaos and panic. Skeng, who was originally scheduled to arrive in Guyana on Tuesday, however, he was forced to reschedule his flight after having an altercation with security personnel at the Norman Mandela International Airport in Kingston, Jamaica, which subsequently saw him being charged with disorderly conduct and refusing arrest. He was offered bail and is to appear before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on June 21st. The artist management team believe that the blame is wrongly placed at the feet of their client and says that they are looking forward to being given the opportunity to perform in Guyana in the near future to eliminate any bad taste that has been left in the mouth of the authorities. We remain committed to our fans in Guyana and throughout the Caribbean and the world. The management team of Mr. Douglas are aware of the negative effects of gun violence, and we do not and will never condone this. We remain absolute and supportive of our Caribbean counterparts and the exchange of our unique Caribbean culture. Links 007 TV will have a comprehensive report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.
Yes, sir.